Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn essay on Independence Day. 15 August is our Independence Day. This is our national festival. India became free on this day in the year 1947. This day is celebrated every year with great joy. Early in the morning, school students assemble in their schools. From there, they start the Prabhat ferry. Then they came back to that schools. They salute the national flag. They recite the national anthem. After it, they have games and sports. Students get sweets this day every year. Schools and other important buildings are lightened. 15 August is the most important day of the Indian history. Friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.